Good evening, dear children. This day, I welcome you all for the Political Science video class. Chapter 1, Meaning and Importance of Political Science. In this chapter, you are going to learn the concept of political science, the process of development in political science, the political thinkers and their contributions, and the importance of political science. Okay, children. So, what is political science? Political science is one of the social sciences which deals with the political activities of man. It deals with the state and government. It studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institutions. The study of state is the main subject matter of political science. As a subject of study, political science began with the Greeks. Though Egyptians, Babylonians, Persians, Indians, and Chinese have mentioned their ideas or thoughts about political science much earlier to Greeks, they failed to develop it as a systematic study. Politics was given the status of an independent science by Greeks. Greek philosophers like Socrates and his disciple Plato were great political thinkers. Plato, in his famous book Republic, for the first time discussed the nature and functions of state and government. Aristotle, the ancient Greek thinker and the student of Plato, is recognized as the father of political science because of his valuable contributions to its growth and development. He wrote the first treatise in political science called The Politics. In this famous book, Aristotle discussed the origin, development, and functions of state. Kautilya's work on economics, it is called Arthashastra, has more information about political principles. Greeks use the term politics for the study of state. The term politics is derived from Greek word polis, which means city-state, and therefore a subject which deals with the affairs of city-state and its working was called politics by ancient Greeks. However, in modern times, scholars have preferred to use the term political science for this study. Children, political science studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of a state, and rights and duties of the citizens. Political science is study of all facets of state. Political science is also the study of past, present, and future of political institutions, political functions, and political theories. In short, political science means study of state, government, and human political activities. Children, now we'll see the importance of political science. The knowledge of political science is essential in the present age. The progress and development of state depends upon the thinking, knowledge and political involvement of the people. Political science helps to understand the birth and growth of a state. It provides information about the type of governments and political activities involved in the functions of the state. Political science provides information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and peace, etc. It provides information about the structure and functions of the state and government. In the light of the past and the present activities of the government, political science helps to plan the future activities of the state. It also helps to establish a modern welfare state. Political science provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. Political science helps to understand the organs of the government, that is, legislature, executive and judiciary and their functions. Political science develops political consciousness or awareness among the people. It keeps the government and the people politically alert and active. The knowledge of political science helps leaders and civil servants to understand and solve the problems of the people effectively. The knowledge of political science helps to raise good leadership and good citizens. Political science helps to understand the important political institutions like political parties, federations and local bodies. Political science deals with ideologies which inspire and influence political involvement of people. Political science provides the knowledge of international relations, especially the occurrence of wars among the nations and the importance of peace and cooperation. So thus, the study of political science helps us to understand the need for a state, good governance of the state, the role of the leaders and people's participation. It helps the people to become good, responsible, cultured and active citizens. The knowledge of political science contributes to the establishment of just, peaceful, progressive and a happy state, which is the dream of millions and millions of people for a long time everywhere. Children, watch this video carefully and complete the following assignment. What is political science? The second one is, who began the systematic study of political science? Third one is, who is called the father of political science and why? And the last one is, mention the uses of studying political science. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.